Let's read the question together. Part A. Define the term carbon footprint. So what's the command word? The command word is define. And we're looking to define the phrase carbon footprint. So what is the carbon footprint? It is the amount of greenhouse gases, so that's carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, that is given out from the full life cycle of a product, service or event. It's the total amount of greenhouse gases. Now I'll just put in brackets that's including carbon dioxide, because often people are very concerned about carbon dioxide, and of course it is called carbon footprint, that is given out over the life cycle of a product, service or event. So what are the marks for? It's a 2-mark question. So 1 mark is about looking at the total amount of greenhouse gases, and the 2nd mark over the entire life cycle of the product, service or event. Part B. Name the 2 major greenhouse gases that we're trying to reduce by considering the carbon footprint. So, what is the command word? The command word is name. And what are we looking for here? What other key words have we been given? We're looking for major greenhouse gases. So what's a greenhouse gas? It's a gas that we can find in our atmosphere that traps IR radiation from the sun in the atmosphere and causes a warming effect. Now, some greenhouse gases are needed to increase the world temperatures so it can support life as we know it. For example, water is a major greenhouse gas. However, many scientists are in agreement that humans have released many more greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, and this is causing a warming effect, which we call the greenhouse effect. That has now been leading to climate change, which we're starting to observe more and more. So, going back to the question, name the 2 major greenhouse gases that we're trying to reduce when we're thinking about carbon footprint. Now, we've been asked for the name. We don't need to make it complex by writing a formula. We can literally just write the names. Now, the 2 are carbon dioxide and methane. Those are the 2 greenhouse gases that we are most trying to reduce in terms of what humans are putting into our atmosphere. Part C. Suggest 1 way to remove greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. So what's the command word here? The command word is suggest. Okay, and that is to simply state some ideas that could work here. And it's about the removal of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. So that's not about producing less greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It's about how do we get rid of them when it's already there. And there are 2 ways to do that. You either grow more trees, i.e. plant forests, or you can use carbon capture. Now you only need to put one of them down because it's just a 1-mark answer.